Hi, welcome to the demonstration video of Odoo's application, Website Dashboard Ninja, powered by Ksolves. In this video, we will understand a very important feature like the major functionality of this dashboard. This dashboard basically allows us to keep our dashboards onto our websites, right? So all the beautiful and dynamic dashboards that we have into our My Dashboard Ninja application, we can put them onto the websites. As you can see, I've already put one of my dashboards on the website page and we can access it completely. All these functionalities, all these data we can represent without actually entering into the dashboard, right? So basically for this we don't have to log in into a dashboard. We can simply put this onto a website where all the employees or the staff people can see this dashboard without any access to change or to modify the data, right? They can simply see this, they can simply watch all these dashboards, all this information that is presented to them by a particular authority, by a particular admin, right? Only admin people can change this dashboard settings and they can definitely go ahead with this. As you can see, I am able to scroll down to all this dashboard and I can present all this data to my team or the people those who are required to see this. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this will be of great help to you. For any further queries or questions, you can reach us at sales@ksolves.com. Thank you so much.